ASTATechCenter presents Primavera P6 lesson. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Primavera P6 Professional. Lesson 3. Global Calendar.
In this lesson we will cover topics such as creating a global calendar in P6, assigning calendar to the project, creating global calendar. In order to create a global calendar, click the Enterprise menu and select Calendar from the drop-down list. Select Global Radio button at the top of Calendar window. Click Add button and select Standard Calendar from the list and assign it by clicking the green button on right. Give a new name, say District School Project, Bhubaneswar, DSBB, 6 days work calendar, and click Modify button. Select Total Work Hours per Day radio button in Global Calendar standard window, also make 8 hours in work hours per day. Then click Work Week button. Creating global calendar by clicking Work Week button and staying in Global Calendar standard window, make 0 for Sunday and all other days as 8 hours per day, that is, in Calendar Weekly Hours window. Then click OK. Creating global calendar. Next select the Detailed Work Hours per Day radio button. Under Work Hours segments, make 8 hours to 13 hours working, 13 hours to 14 hours as non-working, lunch break, and again, from 14 hours to 17 hours as working time. In the calendar area, set the holidays for entire project period as per the local conditions. Assigning calendar to project. In order to assign calendar to a project, go to the project view. Select the project, say District School Project, Bhubaneswar, DSBB. At the bottom layout, click the default tab, and under Calendar, select District School Calendar 6 days working, for the project, DSBB. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon.